So it's the middle of May 2025. Some of you have been watching my videos since December 2024 and you are still sitting on the fence and you've done nothing about it. It looks like you are stuck. You don't really know what to do and how to move forward. So here's the thing. I offer you for a once-off cost a fully automated system that works on the internet 24 hours a day. Once you've paid for your program, you have no other costs involved. You market your product on social media. Therefore, it's absolutely free. So you have no overheads, no inventory, and you don't even have to do any recruiting. And to top it all, you make 100% profit on every sale you make. I just don't understand what you are waiting for. There's never a perfect time. The perfect time is now. If you don't get off that fence and do something about it, you'll be sitting in the same position at Christmas 2025 as you were in 2024. So if you would like further information regarding my six-figure blueprint, put yes in the comments and I'd gladly get back to you with all those details.